Welcome to Alphabet Land, where letters dance and play. Are you ready to meet them? Let's dive into some fun. Let's go. A is for astronaut. Fly to sky. Zoom, zoom. Join me in my galactic journey. B is for balloon. Whee! Floating high in the sky. C is for cat. D is for dragon. Roar. Guard the treasures. Who dares to challenge me? E is for electricity. Zap. Can you feel the energy buzzing around?